Hi, I'm Sean Witt, and today I'm here to walk you through my live skincare routine. This is absolutely every single thing that I use as a man aging 58 years old on testosterone with extra oily skin. So this wouldn't be right for everyone, but it is perfect for me. I'm gonna surprise you here with a little bit. Most of the time people say, start with cleansing. I have to start with my exfoliator first. And the reason I start with my exfoliator first is because I don't like any type of heavy film or anything on my skin. So I start with my exfoliator and then I use my cleanser. So after cleansing for about 60 seconds with gentle cleanser, then I move on to the life-saving oil control pads. Oil control pads, you just take it out. Each pad is really saturated and you want to use this pad until it's dry, which I know takes a few minutes, but that's the way to get optimal results from this product. My next step, because I am aging, I take 1 pump of each of this. This is Peptide, which is great for lifting the skin. This is firming serum, which is great for firming the skin. I take 1 pump of each and I apply it to my face mixed together. Pro tip, if you mix them, it's gonna make both of them last twice as long. Antioxidant protection is my next one. I love AOX Illuminating Serum. It gives a beautiful luminosity to the skin and it just really brightens my skin. And of course, my problem area. My problem area has always been my neck, and this new formulation of neck complex from Zeo is quickly become one of my favorite products. I love this because it actually does everything you need for your neck, including pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, laxity. It targets all of those in just one cream. When patients come in to see me, when I turn their head to the side, because most treatments are face and neck, you can see where they actually leave off the back of their neck. And it's like a really obvious line as to where they don't use their neck cream on the back of their neck as well. And then of course you can't forget sunscreen. My favorite is Total Defense and Repair from SkinMedica. It is a completely oil-free sunscreen that also offers anti-aging benefits. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the #1 place that people get melanoma is on their ears. So don't forget your sunscreen on your ears. I know it's not an obvious place to put it, but it's really, really important to make sure that your sunscreen goes on your ears. So that's it for me. I hope you've enjoyed what I've showed you today. And yeah, come and see me at Weiler Plastic Surgery. I'm at the Blue Bonnet location in Baton Rouge.